Guys, kung makikita po ninyo, nandito tayo ngayon sa ito yung sinaunang toilet noon. Makikita po ninyo, ito yung pang-ilo noon. Ayan, ito yung pang ganyan noon. At saka ito. Sure. Ito yung toilet noon. Dalawang butas, bali didiretso, uupo ka lang. And then yun, mahulog na yung mo. Bukas siya, makikita mo yung yung mga itats doon sa loob. Ayan, ito po yung mga 80s, 90s na abutan ko siya, mga 80s to 90s. Ganito yung mga toilet nung unang panahon sa probinsya. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka the best na toilet paper. Pakaw kung sa Bisaya. Corn cob kung sa English pa. Ayan. Ito po yung toilet. Ayan, ito po yung naranasan ko po ito nung nasa probinsya pa ako noon, nasa Pilipinas pa noong mga 1980s to 90s. Yeah. This is the oldest one. I tried this one in the Philippines before. Yeah, since that was 80s to 90s. Because village, no water, no, we use that one.
Is that how they use?
Yeah. That's a good. That's better than toilet paper. Yeah, because it's only one. That's it.
But those raw.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah.
It's not that. It's not that rough. That's better than toilet paper.
This how toilet paper.
Yeah. No water before, no toilet paper, so you need to use that one like this, or the
As a little kid, we didn't have like bathroom. We have like an outhouse, not like this, but as a toilet paper, we use like leaves or rocks.
Oh yeah. Oh, I tried rocks before. And I tried
I never tried
the coconut, how you call that one?
the coconut.
The coconut skin, when you take out the skin of the coconut. I tried that one too. That's why these kids are lucky, huh?
I know.
They have a toilet paper now.
Have,
Mhm.
they have to, suffer.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna keep going.
Alright,
Nice to meet
take
you.
care. Alright.
What's your name?
Cyber.
I'm David.
Oh, nice to meet you.
See you.
Alright. I tried this one before. No, I mean, when I was a kid, I already tried this one.
Yes.
80s. That's our toilet before, and then we used that one
For real?
in the Philippines. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that was
My son's
80s.
in the Philippines now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Tell me, where did you live?
In Mindanao,
Oh,
part of Mindanao.
yes. He's in Negron.
What's that?
Or Negros.
Negros. Oh, Visayas, part of Visayas. Yeah.
It's near Dimagado City. I think it's 3 hours from there.
Oh, okay.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Mga tong ilo, pakaw. Ito yung toilet noon, naranasan natin ito noon, 1980s to 80s to 90s. Ayan. And then yung toilet natin nasa labas ng bahay, hindi sa loob ng bahay. Ngayon nasa loob na. Oh, yan. Ganito yung Ang ganda may panlalaki, may pambabae. Bigyan nyo ng pangalan. Alright.